Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get coal, or how to unlock coal and grow a garden. And let's get straight into the video. So if you want to essentially unlock coal, all you have to do is submit one of everything. So you need to submit one fruit, you need to submit one egg, and you need to submit one gear. Once you do that, the furnace basically will just drop, coal. Now it's not like a specific coal type. It could be regular coal, it could be rare coal, it could be like, even mythic coal, etc., stuff like that. And you basically just want to be able to do that. So that's really it. And you can like craft all of these items. You could craft you could craft gear from here, which is the only new thing, I guess. But craft fruits and whatever it was, eggs from wherever you had it, however you were getting it before. So once you basically have all those items, you just simply come here, submit everything. And if you guys are having trouble submitting stuff, I did make a video in that video as well, showing how to fix that issue, showing how to fix the not able to submit issue. But other than that, that should basically be it. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.